Neobanks have been redefining the traditional banking landscape. What are neobanks? Their advantages over traditional banks and their potential impact on the financial services industry. Keep watching to discover it all. What exactly is a neobank? Well, think of them as the new age banks, the digital darlings of the financial world. Unlike traditional banks, they don't have brick and mortar branches. Instead, they operate entirely online. They offer everything from payments and money transfers to lending, all at your fingertips. Why neobanks are stealing the thunder of traditional banks? First up, lower charges. Since they skip the whole renting buildings thing, they have fewer costs and that means more savings for you. Plus, their digital-first approach makes banking experience a breeze. No more waiting in long lines. Everything's done with a few clicks on a smartphone. Secondly, when it comes to user experience, neobanks take the cake. Their apps are sleek, powerful, and user-friendly. They have left traditional banks in the dust with their digital-first strategy. Last but not the least, the freedom. Neobanks aren't held back by traditional banking rules, so they can keep costs low and innovate high. It's like they're in their own league. But should you make the switch to neobanking? Well, it depends on your tech savviness and your hunger for innovation. If you are all about convenience and modern banking, neobanks are the way to go. With the rise of digital payments, they are the perfect fit for a tech-savvy individual. The government's pushing for more tech adoption and neobanks are right in the mix. It's like they are tailor-made for the future. But are there any disadvantages of a neobank? We have seen the bright side, but what about the not so great bits? First, the impersonal touch. Since they are all digital, you won't get that face-to-face interaction you might be used to with traditional banks. And then there's the security concern. With everything online, they are susceptible to cyber attacks and other online threats. That's something we need to be aware of. Last but not the least, they are not traditional banks. They usually team up with other banks, so make sure they are insured and regulated for your peace of mind. Neobanks are just one piece of the fintech puzzle. Fintech covers all tech innovations in finance from ATMs to online money transfers. It's a big, ever-evolving world and neobanks are at the forefront of this financial revolution. Speaking of businesses, small and medium enterprises are loving neobank. It streamlines operations, minimizes error and boosts efficiency. For businesses, it's a game changer. Which are the top neobank startups in India? The number of neobanking startups have risen given the demand for formal finances, propelled by the success of UPI. With the market opportunity for neobanking expected to rise to $183 billion, Indian startups have plenty to gain from it. Some notable startups such as Open, Jupiter, Neo, IndMoney, FiMoney, RazorPayX, FamPay, Zigzug, Fin, etc. are the famous startups here. What is the future of neobanks? Well, the numbers don't lie. In 2023, they are set to reach a transaction value of nearly $77 billion as per media reports. And that's just the start. With an annual growth rate of over 19%, they are expected to hit a total of $155 billion by 2027. The United States is leading the way with a whopping $1.4 trillion in 2023. And as for users, expect to see over 21 million by 2027. Neobanking is on the rise and there's no stopping it. So, there you have it, the world of neobanks in a nutshell. They are changing the way we bank, and whether you are an individual looking for a modern banking experience or a business seeking efficiency, neobanks offer promising solutions in the ever-evolving world of finance. Thank you for watching TICE TV. I would appreciate your efforts to like, subscribe, and share this among your peers. For more engaging content, follow us on Google News, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Find all the links in the description below. Let's stay in touch and stay tuned here. Keep smiling and have a great day.